He is our candidate, Mr. Benson Hancho. Okay, he is coming now. Number 5 naman nindung alam no, Haraihan constituency pen. Kasi pati man, mate. Ilitu APHLC Central Committee Vice President no, ilitu mandi Purnima Hipi, alam is boy juga. Women atau Vice President no, late Purnima Hipi. Nasi, abang lagi ada sekarang alam imet tangan orang tua. Nasi, number, okay, lagi Haraihan LSC pen no. Number 3 that is from Bokajang LSC. Bokajang LSC pen. Let me start from Borjang constituency, Miss Martina Intika Tharpi. I think Miss absent or present? Absent, no? Okay. Absent at all. Number 2, Mr. Bapuram Tera from Sorokothar constituency. You are represented to come on the stage. Number 3, Mr. Anthony Bongru from Diopani constituency. Anthony Bongru, alam itu kalau Diopani constituency kan, no? Richard Kha, Bathura Heritage. Iltum Haile Purunia District. Number 4, Mr. Rajesh Kiso, Vice President Central Committee from Nilip constituency. Number 4, okay, number 5, Mr. Mondok Singh Inti from Dwarpaburi constituency. Mondok Singh Inti, Dwarpaburi constituency pe no, they thought don't amara na pen alang ini kodong bango, alang lagi apa deh? Nanti tu Richard Kha. That is Mr. Pranjal Pro from Bokajang constituency. Mr. Pranjal Pro. Kichya sokong, naik lo Bathura ini malah ni. Ini alam ni bakcoro ni. Lalu Bokajang LSC pen no, lapen ni last LSC. That is from Wathatlangshu LSC. Wathatlangshu LSC pen. Let me call from Dwaramla constituency. That is from Mr. Loki Timung. Loki Timung from Dwaramla constituency. Oh yes, this is on the back side. This is coming now. Yes. Alang li dance stage on the microphone. Loki Timung. That is from Dwaramla constituency. Alang li bangbong lo. That stage on the microphone. Aduh itu ni di cara mendengar. Alang li Loki Timung. Loki Timung. Okay. And I think he is the Vice President from Wathatlangshu LSC. Number 2, Mr. Lowry Crow from Sochen constituency. Mr. Lowry Crow from Sochen constituency. Yes, he is on the back side. Last. Okay. You are requested to come here on the stage. Mr. Lowry Crow from Sochen constituency. Sochen constituency pe alang li itu dulu mangro Mr. Lowry Crow. Nang itu RJ lang pamit no, pantek pamit no, lapen ke pini dakar jab sar kuman ke. Hekeda ratung kali deh, kalau macam laki tu tumpan ke, heksa termasuk ni tumpan bayi lo, lepas tiga di piwa. Lalu Lowry Crow. Alang ni lo, alang ni ke Silong macam ni lah. Number 4, Mr. Kursing Timung from Kupli constituency. Di hari kau kaya di Pawan Kumar bagi sedang malam lagi. Mr. Kursing Timung. Alang ni bayi ciri lo kene, Riho pun hai. Riho. Lalu ni cepatan ni nampak hudai lagi. Riho Jindabad. Number 5, Mr. Vikram Hanse from Bithung Rengkhama constituency. Vikram Hanse. Number 6, Mr. Dhanesaram Bhar. Mr. Dhanesaram Bhar from Amrek constituency. So let's welcome Mr. Dhanesaram Bhar. Alang ni lo, Mr. Dhanesaram Bhar lo, akan ke Wathatlangshu LSC ko kalah lagi General Secretary. Number 7, Mr. Jonathan Inti Kathar. Mr. Jonathan Inti Kathar, he is from Rongkhang constituency committee. Rongkhang kan itu dulu nama. Mr. Jonathan Inti Kathar, akan ke itu Mr. Jaya Kathar. Amuh pun. Number 8, Mr. Antong Inti Kathar from Hamret constituency committee. Hamret kan itu dulu nama. Akan galah kita asap sobat pensi unit orang dulu. Number 9, Mr. Rajendra Tiso from Amri constituency. Rajendra Tiso, are you present? Present, ma? Rajendra Tiso? I think he's absent. Okay, and number 8 naman ke Chimthong constituency pe Sarin pe Rong. Alang ibanda amen ke pernah tok lo, alang parti dulu ke pustan. Mr. Sarin pe Rong. Alang lelo Chimthong constituency lo. Lasila karja proman tu mana itu pak theko, alang itu hello ke lampan. it's Candidato NC itu mah parmana kita tu natunggo, lapen pere repeat tanah itu BJP kan kaca tanah natunggo lapen ke dan tribal area apa tribal itu six security pang tanah itu nak kerja pia songjat tu tum tribal. Masih ada itu mana itu bicara kan ini bahini itu cuma ni polima cuma yoi lapen ke Martina kita dolan ala itu nandu de dalo. Seta ala itu bah, ini tu mistake kan mata ini kaca ada kan ala itu bah, ini tu ningarong kan arjo kan sih. Thank you very much. Okay, so itu masar karena lulu di kalau iso masih. Ya, you are requested to sing this welcome. Yeah,
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome.